One such foldable phone that has seen major upgrades is the Samsung Galaxy S Fold 7. The 256GB variant is now available for $1,999, while 512GB and 1TB models are also available. The phone is available in three conventional colors as well as a special mint green hue. With the Z Fold 7 being almost as thick as the S25 Ultra, the form factor and design have been greatly enhanced. Additionally, the phone weighs 215 g, which is almost twice as much as the S25 Ultra. Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 is used for the external display, while Gorilla Glass Victus 2 has been improved for the rear glass. A titanium plate layer has been added to the primary internal display, making it the strongest and most resilient fold to date. Additionally, the phone boasts a bigger, broader, 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a suitable 21:9 aspect ratio. When unfolded, the bigger 8-inch primary display offers an excellent viewing experience. By eliminating superfluous pieces and enhancing the key functionalities, Samsung's design modifications have improved rather than added. Whether folded or unfolded, the Z Fold 7 now feels comfortable to use. A 200-megapixel primary camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel main screen camera with a wider 100-degree selfie are all included in Samsung's Z Fold 7 Ultra. Additionally, Samsung's G Pro visual engine, which comes with 10-bit HDR by default, is used by the phone for photos and movies. Additionally, Galaxy AI capabilities, functionalities, and applications tailored for the huge inner screen are included with the Z Fold 7. The phone has a Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, a 7-year software commitment, with upgrades for Android 16 and UI 8. The Z Fold 7 has reverse charging, wireless charging 2.0, 25-watt wired charging, and a 4,400 mAh battery. The Z Fold 7's most significant upgrades are improved Galaxy AI and One UI software, a 200-megapixel ultra camera, and upgraded hardware. On July 25th, pre-orders will be accepted. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.